Okay guys, you can clearly see I was definitely feeling myself in this look, so you know this tutorial is about to be fire. What's up my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie Atkins here as always, and I'm back with another GELE tutorial. Get your GELE, get your pin, let's get started. You divide your GELE into 70-30 because I'm doing the V, it's not the normal round. So you press it down. Look at the way I'm shining my eyes. You press it down and then you start to make your pleats. Here I am showing you how you make the first fold onto the second fold, and as many as possible, like as much as you want, and then you place it bang on to your head. So remember guys, the side that is going round, so the shorter side should be the one covering the ear, because once it goes under, it's covering the other side. So here I'm just fixing my pleats, making sure everything that I have created is showing, because I did not spend all that time to make all of this beautiful £1,000,000 pleats and for it not to show. Sorry, that's not gonna happen. So make sure everything is showing. Okay, see, zoom, HD, bam. Right, so I've got that. I'm happy with everything showing. You can see I'm using my hand to press it down. Remember guys, press your pleats down so it's flat, it's not bumpy. And come to the back and you crisscross. So you gather everything and you crisscross. So the shorter hand is going underneath and the longer one is coming above. See, right? And then with the long one, I put, because it's so long, I put it like down between my thighs, so my thighs was holding it down tight. So that's a hint of how you can hold the long side to make it tight. And then I get my short side and I'm pleating it again. So you can see guys, just gathering the pins, forgive me, I'm gathering the pleats and I'm just placing it like next to each other. You can make as many as possible, remember, as many as possible, as many as your strength can get. So this is me putting another one, then I place another one and another one in DJ Khaled's voice, and another one. Okay guys, back to the tutorial. So keep placing as much pleats as you want, and once you've achieved what you want, place it around on your loop and you press it down nicely. Once you've pressed it down, remember you're just getting the last part of this, the short one. So you grab the last part and then you grab the last part of your GELE to pin them together and to secure it. Look at that. You see the way I've pinched it together? That's all I'm getting. That's all I want to pin down. And remember, when you're pinning, you're doing a stitch motion. In, out, in, out, in, out. You're not going just in. Please don't stab yourself on the head. In, out, in, out, in, out, and grab the GELE, the part where you want to pin out. So I've got all of that, and then I get the long hand part of the GELE. And again, I start making my pleats. As you can see guys, I start making my pleats and I bring it over. This time around, because I'm creating the fan, I'm gonna make the pleats over each other. You see, nicely. Remember guys, take your time, no rush. You're doing it on yourself, you're saving yourself money. So, and remember, practice. So I start to make my flan, flan, chesu, funke. Anyways, no, I start to make my fan, so I slant my GELE. That's what I was gonna say. So I put fan and slant in the same word. Ignore me guys. So I slant my GELE, I start to slant it, so I'm not making it go round. And you can see I am pressing it down. And again, took it, I went too forward, so I put my hand a little bit backwards, and I press it down again, and I do the same. Remember, look at my hands guys, my hand is not moving, my hand is staying at that point because that's where I want my fan to end. I don't want my fan to extend more than this part. That's why my hand is just staying there, it's not moving. So you just keep doing your pleats over where you want to stop, over all the way till you get the last part of your gilly. Right. As you can see, guys, keep doing it, that, and then that is it. And then here is the important part. I grab the bottom part of the gilly and I go over. So I'm locking it in before twisting. I didn't twist straight away. I locked in my pleats. Look at that, because you can see they didn't move. I locked in my I locked in my pleat and then I twisted. Okay, guys, I locked it in, then twist, and then I twist all the way, turn around, and you see I grab the first part of the gilly and I pin it together. Remember, don't just pin it in half, because if you don't pin it properly or with the right part of your gilly, you end up losing all what you've done. So I pin everything together. I cannot say this enough. Stitch motion, in out, in out, in out. Don't put your pin straight. The only time you put your pin straight is when you've got like a bulk of gilly. Like on this part, I've got that, and I just wanted that cycle, that little motion, and then you can see my pin there, and I just put it straight in, boom, because it's going in the gilly, it's not going anywhere close to my head, so that's fine and that's safe. So I just come over here and then I adjust the side of my gilly. Like I said, I've worked hard for these pleats, so they have to show. They have no choice, but they have to show. As in, I cannot make them and they not show. That's for why. Anyway, I turn around and then envelope closing my gilly. I don't do donuts, I envelope close it. So envelope like, get my pin. I've said it before and I'm gonna say it again. I will keep saying it. Pin is your best friend. When you're tying gilly yourself, pin is your best friend. Okay? Don't use stapler. Pin is your best friend. When you're tying segudo, stapler is most likely your best friend. But yeah, so guys, that is the end of this video. Look at the 360. Woo! I was definitely feeling this look, I'm not gonna lie. This is the first time I'm actually loving a high gilly on myself. Like usually I stick with my turban, but this would really look cute on me, I'm not gonna lie. So definitely will look cute on you guys. Do try it, and when you try it, let me know. Wherever you try it, tag me on your pictures, on your video. I would definitely love to see you guys practicing and remaking this style. Do not forget, guys, like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can always get a notification every time I, Lizzie Atkins, upload new content. For now, remain blessed and I'll see you in my next video.
Let us do this again. Yes, we are back again. I am a star. They won't kill my shine. I wanna know